koutou, ko Zach ahau. I am Zach.
And moa ātaro Winton School, ko Amanda Rose ahau. I am Amanda Rose. Well, welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rāapa, the 6th of April.
InterHouse Touch News. It's semi-finals tomorrow. Koutou, Hokonui play Oreti and Waiau play Aparima.
To help with organisation of teams and houses, we're eating lunch in our houses. Aparima and Hokonui, you're eating in the junior lunch area.
Waiau, you're on the library steps.
Oreti, you're outside room 8.
And Takitimu, you're outside room 4. Kia ora.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is Aroha, which is te reo for love.
As in Arohatia te rea. Love the language.
Already do. On to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate, from 11 until 2:30.
And remember to wear your portai at interval and lunchtime.
Oh no, I forgot to put my portai on. There we go.
Yeah.
High-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Year 5s to 8s are allowed over the road to play at intervals.
Make sure you use Eglinton Street at the Pretty Strand crossing carefully.
Let's talk about that, koutou. There are 2 designated crossings, Clyde Street and Eglinton Street.
Both are managed after school by the Year 7 Road Patrol team.
Staff are supervising, so use the crossings, not halfway down Eglinton Street, koutou.
Still with health and safety news. When playing in the nature area, please leave the garden edging sleepers in place.
They are there for a reason, and it's a safety issue if they're moved or rolled. So leave them in place, please.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Whoa.
Quick, get up! We're doing the news.
Yeah,
There's no time to do silly things like that.
Sorry. And that's it for today, everyone. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kitea popo. See you tomorrow.
Play hard, play fair, and support your houses, Winton School.